Look at the rusty navigator. Keep it slowly. You are skipping the frame. The long journey home begins for this weather navigator. Layer by layer, the mud surrounder to the stair steam. Every wheel well holds here of the collected earth and rust. The frame's damage is extensive. The tires are completely shot. Oh, the roaded ceilings falls away. We have got the major rust on the floor pan. We need to reinforce for the entire chassis. Oh, we need completely remove the front part. Need to shake it to fall the rust. The rear bumpers drops away, exposing the raw and rusted frame beneath. The front end took a major hit, and we need to replace everything here. The chassis is completely bent here. The papers should have been cleaned first. Remove the rust carefully. Stroke by stroke, the rope gives up its rust to the steady hand. Now looks a bit fresh. Tire rings getting ready to set. Now patience and while slowly unlock what years of rusty. The press speaks on slowly. now need perfect polishing. Need some parts and tools to fix the each pull of the sledgehammer draws the stubborn roof. Have to polish to bring the perfect shape. Now watch the edge by the door.
Yeah, I see it. Is that lined up with the hood now?
Get up it to see the full view. We need to smooth this area before painting. The rear bumper alignment also need adjustment. Every low spot gets this turned patiently and filled feathered smooth. Yeah, now gradually getting looks good. The deep black paint is measured and mixed, ready to transform bar metal. The black paint finds every edge and corner of this navigator's frame. Now black painting is almost complete. The black glows settle across every panel. Deep, perfectly even. Time to setting up the navigator's bagdala.
How does the B-pillar look?
How does the B-pillar? It's tight here.
Setting up the doors step by step. Our back is almost done.
New brake lines connect precisely,
Restoring the safety of every stop.
every stop.
Now fresh carpet lies down. Hey, easy now. Watch your side line up. Sealing the fresh door panel cleanly into the door. Setting up the wire connection of the first passenger seats. Did you like navigator's dashboard panel? Almost done setting up the headlight. Perfectly wired the light in the passenger seat. Our navigator regaining its dignified task. Smoothly putting the navigator sign. The wheels are being installed with great care. And yeah, we started our final shot out. Yeah, from scrap to stunning, we didn't just restore it, we transformed back on the road, back to the life.